Hello friends, welcome to Anis Academy. In this video, we are going to see the tricks for calculating square. Okay, so I'm going to teach you only 3 steps in which you can calculate the squares, and it is very easy. So please don't miss this video, watch till end, and then you will feel that you have learned some valuable thing today. Okay, let's get started. So we have 2 types here. In first type, we are going to learn to calculate the square of numbers between 80 to 100. Okay, so let's see how to calculate the square of numbers between 80 to 100 in just 3 steps. So for example, I will take a number 97, and in this we have to assume base as 100. Okay, so what is the use of base? I will tell you in step 1. So in step 1, what you have to do is, see, I'll write here S1. In step 1, as I told you, base is 100. So 100 minus 97 we will do, which will give you the difference 3. Now step 2. For this 3, we will subtract from 97. So 97 minus 3, this will give you 94. And step 3, in step 3, what are we going to do is, we will calculate the square of 3. So 3 square is, we will write it in 2-digit form, so which is 09, right? Now we have got the square. How? You have to write a step 2 result and a step 3 result, which is 9409. So this is the square of 97. Okay, now let us solve another example, friends. So in another example, if I take, let's say 94. Okay, so again in 94, what can we do? As per step 1, we will take 100 as a base. So in step 1, 100 minus 94 we will do. Okay, so this will gives us what result? 6. The difference is 6. In step 2, we will be doing 94 minus 6. This difference we have to again subtract from the 94. Then 94 minus 6 will give result 88. Okay, and let's come to the last step, step 3. In last step, we will be doing the square of the difference which we have obtained in step 1, which is 6 square. This will gives us 36. Here we got single digit, so we wrote it in 2-digit form 09. Here we got 2-digit already. So now the answer is, as I told you, step 2 plus step 3. So the 94 square is equal to, I can write here 88 and 36. So this is how quickly we can solve within 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, any square of any number between 80 to 100, considering 100 as base. Okay, now I will show you type 2. In type 2 also, we will consider 100 as base, but it is little difference, very minute difference is there. In this type, using type 2 shortcut trick, we can solve the square of numbers between 100 to 120. Okay, so let us take an example of 107. Okay, in this also we are going to use only 3 steps. So step 1, what are we going to do in step 1? Same what we have done here. Okay, so here we have done 100 minus 97. Since this is more than 100, we will do 107 minus 100. But the concept or idea is, we have to find the difference between 100 and the number. Here also we have found the difference. So this will give you the result 7. Okay, now step 1 is conceptually same. The difference we are finding out, only the rearrangement is happening. In step 2, here we have found the difference. In step 2, we will be not finding the difference, we will be adding the digit. So 107 plus 7. This difference we will add here in 107. So this will gives us 114, right? Now in step 3, whatever we have done in type 1, same thing we will do here, okay? And that is the square of 7, right? So a square of 7 is 49. Now it's time for us to write the answer. So answer we writing as a step 2 and a step 3, which will give you, I'll write here, 107 square is equal to 114 and 49. So this is the square of 107. Okay friends, now let us solve another example. I'll take some other digit here. Example, here I will take 112. Okay, so we will solve, we will find the square of 112 using this type 2, because it comes under 100 to 120. Okay, so same way, step 1, 112 minus 100, this will gives us 12. The difference is 12. Now step 2, what are we going to do? We are adding here in type 2. So adding the difference in the number. So 112 plus 12. So this gives us 1, 2 and 4, 124. Now step 3. Step 3, we have to find the square of the number which we have obtained in step 1. So 12 square. So 12 square, suppose you are preparing for the competition and all, you will remember, because this is not a big digit. So directly I can write here 144. 144. Okay, otherwise quickly you can if you don't remember, then you can find it out. Now step 3 is over. It's time for us to write the result. So this result is 112 square is equal to step 2 and step 3 we are writing. Okay, but here there is a small change friends. Here you can see in step 3 we have got 2-digit number. Here we have got 3-digit number in each step. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will be taking 2-digit from here. So 124, this 1 will be added to 4. Okay, so this you have to write step 2, 1, 2 and 1 plus 4 is 5 and then 4, 4. So this is the answer. So you have seen that how quickly we have calculated the squares of such a big numbers, okay, using these tricks. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.